punishment because we don't get it the right way. If justice always worked, maybe we would not be so eager for these extreme punishments.
No, if you take the public at large, a substantial section would say that they're against the death penalty. But you ask But you ask the same people, should Kasab be hanged? A lot of them will say Kasab ought to be hanged.
I don't think so. I think the vast majority of India, including my mum, wants the death penalty because we've grown up believing that the death penalty is good and it keeps you safe at home.
But quite apart from the death penalty itself, you also have to look into where politics is happening. The politics is happening in mercy petitions, in whether to grant mercy or not grant mercy, or just to keep the file pending. That is the political decision, and there probably time frames need to be set.
Well, I think, Jahangir, let's be very clear about one thing. Ajmal Kasab did not have any supporter in India. There was nobody waving flags and having demonstrations and writing petitions and members of parliament and ministers and governments saying he should not be hanged. He had nobody to defend him, whereas there are people in death row who have in fact, I'm sorry, who have been guilty or found guilty of equally heinous crimes, but they are still there because they have people to defend them. This gentleman had nobody to defend him, and I think that is one of the contributing reasons why he was there.
Do you think the Congress party is going to milk the execution of Ajmal Kasab for political gain?
They've already milked it. They've already milked it because it's just one day prior to the opening session of the parliament, and this is going to rule the roost, and the rest of the issues are going to die down. Don't take it too politically. But since the question was asked,
the date is actually fixed by a judge. The Home Minister was wrong. What happens is that you go to the judge and you ask him for a warrant. The judge fixes a date.
Okay. Yeah, Ms. Kaur.
I'm sorry.
No, what I am trying to say is that one thing is very, very clear. In a larger
We've talked about the psyche of killing, of street justice, of boys who are killed because they steal someone's chain. But we're running out of time. I want to go back to the political dimension because it seems to be the most dominant one, and Parliament is starting. Samir Kaul, Obama killed Osama. It didn't really do much for him. Is this going to help the Congress or not?
I don't think so.
Madan Allapad.
Well, I do believe that it does indicate that they are willing to bite the bullet and take some hard decisions. I was quite surprised when it happened, and I must say that I think it will definitely have some benefit for them.
Sanjay?
They look decisive for once.
Brigadier?
I think politics should have been kept out of this, and if politics has been brought in this particular matter, it's shameful.
Mr. Engineer?
Hello.
So do you think that the politics of this is going to be milked by the Congress now that Parliament is just going to open?
Yeah, I think the people of India think in this manner also, that this timing of this punishment clearly indicates that there is some politics being played by the political parties, particularly the party in the government.
You see, I know that the death penalty was never a deterrent as far as killings, murders are concerned. That was never a deterrent. That we need to consider. Number two, I also feel there is some politics behind it from both the sides, the main opposition and the ruling. Let us not do politics on this issue, and as a sober nation, try to debate about if really capital punishment is becoming a deterrent or not.
Okay, the main opposition party is you, Samvit. Your party always tries to be the muscular nationalist party. Let me ask you this. The steam has gone out of your party. You can't now criticize the Congress on Ajmal Kasab. The Congress is going to look militaristic and muscular and decisive. What are you going to do? Just cry about Afzal Guru?
No, not at all. Let me put it in a different way. A few days ago in Ramlila Maidan, Rahul Gandhi said that he had obliged the nation because Congress had supported the BJP government when Kargil war took place. I believe that with this hanging, similar kind of obligations would not be expected from the nation because they did what the nation expected. That's it.
Jahangir, why I think it won't work is because people are not so naive anymore. These things don't work. 2 weeks back, we had the ruling coalition in Jammu and Kashmir, which is Congress and National Conference, openly say seditious things.
I say India is our enemy. But do you think the Kashmiris bought it? Of course not.
Okay, I'll give the last word to you, Mukesh Agarwal. You are one who was personally affected by 26/11. When we talk of it as a human tragedy, you personify that. You have the last word on the death sentence and on the execution of Kasab and how it's going to affect our country.
The first thing, I never came for the politics debate. I just came as a victim, and everyone was discussing about the politics. The politics never came in this picture. It is just the debate was on the victim, the debate was on Kasab execution. So one should take that step and just talk it over. That's all I can say.
So you are happy and you feel a sense of closure that Ajmal Kasab has been executed?
This is not going to be a closure. This is a never-ending process. This is just one chapter getting over. There are plenty of more chapters coming inside the novel.
All right. On that note, that there will be many more chapters for India in its fight against terrorism, we will have to shut the show for now. Let's thank all our guests for being with us, but don't go away. There's much more coming up on the other side right here on NewsX. Good night, and thanks for watching.